Hi, my name is Amanda, and I'm going to be talking about skills I took in order to succeed in school. These are some of my overviews. I am going to be talking about ways I take written notes and my methods in listening attentively during class, having the habit of participating even though there might be a chance of making a mistake, and my response towards doing bad on a test, and my preparation in an important towards an important test. First off, my method in taking written notes is to listen and write down anything that may have sounded important to the lesson. There are some parts of the notes that are less important than others. Although something I plan on working on is taking written notes on anything the teacher said, even though it wasn't written down. Sometimes I'm unable to write down everything the teacher said that was significant. Another habit I need to practice is being accustomed to making a weekly schedule every Sunday in order to remember which days assignments are due and to be organized. It is also helpful in reminding me about what needs to get done. Even though it is hard to listen attentively during class, I try to keep away from anything that is a distraction to me or would keep me from paying attention in class. Along with that, I am willing to participate in class because it keeps me engaged in the topic being spoken about. Also, if you make a mistake, you learn from it and at least you gave it a chance. It also gives the teacher an understanding on what you're having trouble with or confused about in the lesson being taught. This is also beneficial to you because then the lesson that you didn't comprehend at first is being explained to you more thoroughly. For instance, the response I when I do poorly on a quiz or a test is to work harder on that lesson the quiz or test was based off of because I need to progress more on that lesson than other ones I'm excelling at. My knowledge grows by studying and asking the teacher questions. I am I am also able to ask my classmates for help in a problem that they already mastered. I am also given the chance to think through the procedure used in the equation step by step. Lastly, I prepare to take a big test such as the Geometry OC by going back through my notes to refresh on the topics I may have forgotten about a while back, as well as studying the formulas in the proper way to use them to solve problems. I am also working through a variety of math problems also allows me to get prepared for what I might possibly see on the test. Also, being on time to class can assist in getting you far you have because it gives you time to ask your teacher any questions or acknowledge any concerns you have, and when you're on time, you don't miss any announcements the teacher said. In order to be able to get to class on time, you need to get the rest needed, so go to sleep early. Something that will help in concentrating in class is eating a nutritious breakfast in the morning. My conclusion is you should write down anything that sounds important or significant towards the lesson being taught. Keep a distance from any distractions. Receive extensive help on what you're having trouble with understanding. Do not give up. Study. Ask the teacher or your classmates for help when needed. Go back through notes as a way to refresh your memory. Practice by answering a variety of questions or problems that'll challenge you.